Ninja Fit cup leaking? Tighten the thread fix. If liquid is leaking from your Ninja Fit cup, especially around the blade base, here's how to stop it fast without making a mess. Step 1. Don't overfill the cup. Only fill to the max fill line. Overfilling can force liquid past the gasket or into the threads, especially with thinner ingredients. Step 2. Check the gasket ring. There's a rubber gasket ring inside the blade base. If it's dirty, loose, or warped, replace it. I've linked the same gasket set I use below. Step 3. Tighten the blade base evenly. Thread the blade base onto the cup straight and twist firmly. If the threads feel gritty or uneven, remove it and try again. Cross-threading is a common cause of leaks. Step 4. Test with water. First, before blending smoothies or shakes, do a quick leak test with cold water. If it holds fine after 5 to 10 seconds upside down, you're good to go. If the cup still leaks after that, it may be time to replace the gasket or contact Ninja support using the link in the description. If this helped stop the leaks, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. And if you need a new gasket, I've linked one that is the correct size for the Ninja Fit. It fits perfectly and is super easy to install. Thanks for watching, and blend clean.